So what if I told you you could get paid to post your selfies and post your hair videos, something like this. It's like you're already doing your hair anyway. You're already telling your family and friends about the hair extensions you're wearing. So why not make money while you're already sharing and get exclusive perks while you're at it? So let me put you on real quick. I am Mo, the founder of Go Sleek Hair Company, and today I want to invite you to join our Go Sleek Insiders program. It is our exclusive community where you can earn commissions, you could get discounts, you get first access to all our new product drops, and you even get free gifts. So I know you're asking, what is the Go Sleek Insiders program? How can I be a part of it, So it's free to join. And all you have to do is go to our website, gosleek.com, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see Insiders Program. You'll fill out the application. And then once you get approved, you will get your own discount code where you will get 15% off all of your purchases. And then you'll get a special code that you'll share with your family and friends, like when you post your videos, and then they'll get 10% off. And then you earn a commission back from every sale that's using your code. Those commissions are paid out every 60 days. There is a dashboard where you'll be able to go in. You can see the sales you made. You can see what commissions are due to you and when they'll be paid out. Also, you get access to any of the free trainings that we do. So we do live trainings where we'll give you tips on how to create really good videos so that you don't come off salesy, if that makes sense. And then you also get access to our Facebook group as well. So you can share your videos, you'll get feedback from the other girls that are also in the group. And then it's if you're already doing your hair anyway, or even if you go to a stylist to do your hair, you could just record, your experience. You'll be able to show the hair extensions, and then you can share that on your social channels. And then you also get the opportunity to be featured on our feed, on our story, on our website, and also in our emails. So it's the perfect opportunity. You're already doing your hair, you're already telling your friends, so you might as well get paid for it. So I would love for you to be a part of this community. Like I said, it is free to join, and I cannot wait to see you there. So thank you so much, and make sure you join the Insiders program. I'll catch you next time.